110th international goal. Kickoff coming your way again at 1:15 the hour.
Absolutely unbelievable, and he's for sure the MVP thus far, and hopefully he has a good night tonight.
As is often the case in international soccer, form is fallacy. And just because you're not playing well in a club situation doesn't mean that when you get to a completely different environment, you can't change individually. By the way, it works the other way, too. If you're playing really, really well, it also doesn't mean that when you get to the national ball, you can see the respect, the mutual respect. Looks like we're finally getting there, right?
And Messi. And the interesting notes about that is the two captains are being spoken to.
Fear, and if I'm Colombia right now, I look at this situation, this environment.
The right-hand side, although they like to interchange and swap flanks. Julian Martinez with 4 goals. He's on.
Prevailing in penalty kicks. Colombia on the other side, like a classic video game. Messi, outswinger.
Thomas goes down. Klaus tells him to get back up, and now Messi drives it back inside. It skipped off.
Just the one win on home soil in 2000. Brazil sent their B team. They beat Mexico in the final. This would be a different type of championship. Past the quarter-hour mark here in Miami. Trying to find him now. That's not quite the right angle.
On a couple occasions, Messi's had the ball in good spot.
Paul, one of the 5 starters on the field for Argentina who have started all 3 of these finals now. 2 at Copa America, 1 at the World Cup.
Di Maria, Messi got knocked out.
Just sees everybody going toward.
Messi, 3 Colombians run around him, gets rid of. Lionel Messi. Montiel hands it off. Messi picks it up. Fernandez returns it. Messi. Romero just walk it up. Di Maria for Messi.
Knocked away, almost gonna find it is. Messi again in the box, forced wide. Can he cut it back?
That was up on the top of his quad.
Right now, and it looked like it was the left one that got rolled up on, but maybe
Very good at knowing how to have the right burst in the right moment.
anyway, he's right in front of Lionel Scaloni there, his manager. I thought that looked all right. They can spread the field like this when they have some possession.
Oh, hands it off. Messi cuts it wide.
Messi sends it in.
America final, no score between RTL, then just plays it back inside. Messi, McAllister from Di Maria for Messi. That is off the chest. Messi has it now. Messi gets it away. Montiel's crossing it. Messi swings it in.
Messi even admitting this week he has tried to get him to read.
Copa America, as we said, we can't guarantee. He can't guarantee when is who is up, but the concern.
He turned and he signaled to the bench.
He was carried off the field on the shoulders of his team with one shoe off.
Into the World Cup title for lift him as well. He had 7 goals. Oh, man, you hate to see that, really.